How to log in into Udemy account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch your preferred browser on your device, suppose Google Chrome. Click search bar at top of your screen. Type in udemy.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now you will reach on the official interface of Udemy. To log in, click login button at top right. Then you will reach on this login section where you can log in to continue your learning journey. Type in your email address, Google, Facebook, or even Apple ID. So choose any option over here. If you don't have an account, you can log in with your organization or sign up and create account. You need to enter your password and with that you are good to go. As you can see that we have successfully logged into our Udemy account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.